Hi everybody. In this video, we will be learning how to install Java on our system. I have a Mac operating system and I will be leaving a link in the description of how to install the same on a Windows operating system. Now first, let's go ahead and see if we have Java installed on the system or not. Now to do that, we can open the system preferences and here we'll see that the Java icon is not present. We can also search for it and we can see that there is no Java icon. Also, another way of finding out if Java is installed or not is we can go ahead and open the terminal. Here, let's go ahead and type in Java hyphen version. Now, as you can see, I get a message saying no Java runtime present. So we don't have Java installed. And we can go ahead and download Java, or in our case, we need to download the Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit, or JDK, is a tool necessary for us to develop a Java program. Now, JDK comes with a JRE, which is the Java Runtime Environment. That is necessary for us to run Java programs. So let's go ahead and download JDK, which is nothing but a distribution of the Java libraries and all the tools that are necessary for us to develop the Java program. So to do that, just open any browser, look for download JDK. Now you will see a link by Oracle. Go ahead and click on it. Let me maximize the screen. Now here you'll see a link to download the Java platform JDK version 12. Now Java version 12 is the latest JDK that Oracle has released. Now click on the download link, which will redirect you to a page where you'll see the JDK available for all the different operating systems. First, we need to click on the accept license agreement button or radio button, and then download a Mac OS file. This is the .dmg file. So the download has started, and we go ahead and install the application once the download is complete. So once the download is completed, go ahead and open the folder, and you can see the JDK file here. Double click on it, and double click on the package file. In the pop-up, click on continue and click on install. It's asking for the password. I'll go ahead and give that. As you can see, the installation has begun. It says install succeeded. Let's go ahead and close all the windows. Let's go ahead and close all of this. So once the installation is complete, we can go ahead and check if Java is installed. So let's go ahead and open the terminal and type in Java hyphen version and hit enter. As you can see, Java is installed. We see the version as 12.0.1 and we have the Java runtime environment set up for us to run any Java program. So this is how we can install Java on the Mac operating system. So once Java is installed, we need to check if the Java home environment variable is set or not. Now, this is necessary as it points to the directory where the Java runtime environment is installed on the computer. Now, in order to do this, go ahead and open the terminal. And let's first check if the Java home environment variable is set or not. Now, we need to be in the home directory. If you're not, type in cd space the tilde key followed by the / and hit enter. And go ahead and type in echo space dollar Java underscore home in uppercase. Now, as you can see here, it's returning empty. So the variable is not set. So to set the Java home environment variable, we need to update a file, .bash profile file. Now let's go ahead and list all the files in the directory. Now we also need to list the hidden files. So to do that, go ahead and type in ls space -al. Now you see a list of all the files in the directory, and you'll notice that we have bash sessions and bash history files, but we don't have the .bash profile file. So let's go ahead and create a new file. Now to do that, type in touch space dot bash underscore profile and hit return. Let's type in ls space -al, and you'll now see we have the bash profile file. Now we need to open this file. To do that, type in open space -e space dot bash profile and hit return. Now once the file is open, we need to type in a command. Now I've left the command in the description. Do go ahead and copy it and paste it. Let me do the same. Now paste the command and go ahead and save the file. Now once the file is saved, close it, open the terminal and type in echo $Java home. Now you can see that the Java home environment variable is set. So that's it, guys. We have the Java installed and we have the Java home environment variable set. We can now go on and develop Java programs. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.